In this session, we are going to discuss first question of exercise number 2.2. Question is, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? So here you wanted to find out what is the number. But before that, some information is given. From that number, you should subtract half and multiply the getting result by 1 by 2, then finally you will get 1 by 8. If you know the number, then only we can subtract half from that number and multiply this one means this getting result by 1 by 2, and finally you will reach 1 by 8. This is a question. But if you know the number, then only you can perform this subtraction and multiplication. For that purpose, we will assume the number as x. Let the number be x. Now after assuming the number as x, go to the first condition, subtract half from a number. So if the number is declared as x, from this x you should subtract 1 by 2. So half is subtracted from x. That means it can be written as x minus 1 by 2. It means half is subtracted from x. So x minus 1 by 2. Next, up to here it was done. Next, multiply the result by 1 by 2. So this is the result now. When you are subtracting half from the x, this is the result. Now this one is multiplied by 1 by 2. So multiply the result by 1 by 2. So this one is the result that is multiplied with, copy same, and it is multiplied with 1 by 2. Now up to here it was done. Then whenever you are multiplying that result by 1 by 2, then you will get 1 by 8. So this one is multiplied with 1 by 2. This is the result. This is the final one. So this is nothing but as per the number, that is 1 by 8. So as per the problem, x minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 8. Here once again let me explain. Half is subtracted from x. Now this result, entire this result, when half is subtracted from x, this result is multiplied with half. So you will get, so this final answer will be 1 by 8. As per the problem, we got the condition. Now if you wanted to find out the number, means solving for x as per our exercise number 2.1. So we wanted to find out only x value. We don't want this minus 1 by 2 and into 1 by 2. These two are to be transposed to right hand side. But which is to be transposed first, that you should know. Now here, which is minus 1 by 2 or 1 by 2, which is very nearer to x minus 1 by 2. First of all, directly we cannot attack x. So first we will attack on which number is far away from x. Then only we will reach which number is nearer to that. Then x will be alone. Like this process only we will apply in the method of transposing. First, which is far away from x, minus 1 by 2 or into 1 by 2, into 1 by 2 is far away. So this is to be transposed to right hand side. So transposing 1 by 2 to right hand side. So what will be left? X minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 8 and equality sign. Into, so multiplication 1 by 2 into opposite. Whenever we are transposing, multiplication will become as division. So multiplication 1 by 2 will be written as divided by 1 by 2. But we cannot divide directly with 1 by 2. It is somehow difficult process. That is why what we will do, 1 by 8 will be 1 by 8 only. Division opposite you take multiplication, and whenever you take division opposite multiplication, 1 by 2 opposite also you should take. If you are writing as it is same, then there will be change, some problem will be there. We cannot divide with 1 by 2 directly, so we are multiplying with its multiplicative inverse. So 1 by 2 multiplicative inverse is 2 by 1. So numerator will become as denominator, denominator will become as numerator. This is called multiplicative inverse. Instead of division, we are taking it as multiplication. That means division opposite multiplication. So 1 by 2 opposite means multiplicative inverse of 1 by 2, that is 2 by 1. 2 1 time, 2 4 times is 8. Next step is 1 into 1 is 1, 4 into 1 is 4. X minus 1 by 2 as it is we are copying. Then minus 1 by 2 is also to be transposed to right hand side. Transposing minus 1 by 2 to right hand side, it will become as plus 1 by 2. X will be x only, equal will be equal 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 2 is transposed to right hand side, it will become as plus 1 by 2. Now whenever fractions between plus symbol or minus symbol is there, we can go to the LCM of denominators. 4 and 2 LCM will be 4 only. 4 became as 4 means by multiplying with 1. So this denominator became as this denominator. 4 is became as 4 means by multiplying with 1. So whatever the number is multiplied with this denominator, same is to be multiplied with numerator. 1 into 1 will be 1 only. If it is plus, you write plus. If it is minus, you write minus. So if it is plus, so we can write plus only. 2, this 2 became as 4. 2 became as 4 means by multiplying with 2. If this is multiplied with 2, this also multiplied with 2. 1 into 2 will be 2 only. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3 divided by 4. Now we can say that x is equal to 3 by 4. X is nothing but what? As per our assumption, the number is x, but x value is what? 3 by 4. That means finally we can conclude our solution that required number is equal to 3 by 4. This is our final conclusion line.